Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save column chart as an image. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column charts option and 2D column select the first column and here you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here I'm going to save this column chart as a image. Okay, so here I select the column chart and press the Control C. Copy this. You can just right click on it and copy also. And after that, click on the search icon of window and search here the paint. Okay, select the paint, open it and paste here Control V. Paste the column chart. Okay, you just drag the corner and you can increase the size of the column charts. Okay, you can use this formatting option for the column chart also. After that, just go to the file, click on the save option and you can see the save as dialog box is open. Select the destination where you want to save this column chart. I select here the desktop and enter the file name. So I just enter here the column chart image. Okay, in Save As tab, the file type is PNG default selected. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different file type also. Okay. After that, click on the save. Now I go to the desktop and I show you the image of column chart. Simply double click on the image and you can see the PNG image of the column chart is saved. Okay. You just scroll it and you can zoom in, zoom out also. If you want to print this column chart, just click on the print option, click on the print and you can print it easily. Okay, so this is a way you can save the column chart as an image in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.